If you wanna share your PC screen or laptop screen on your YouTube channel, then this video is surely made for you. At first, we need to log in to our YouTube channel. Then press plus icon or create icon. Press go live. Press stream here. You will find a default stream key. Copy this password and skip this page for now. To share PC screen on YouTube, you need to take help of a software which is called OBS Studio, and I will keep OBS Studio link in my description box. Then go to OBS Studio. Then press plus icon of scene after entering OBS Studio. Then plus icon of source. Press display capture. Then press OK. Then again OK. Then go to settings, then press stream, select service YouTube. If you don't find YouTube here, then click on show all, scroll down till the end, then find YouTube and select YouTube. Here you will find YouTube, then select YouTube. Then select primary YouTube ingest server. Then paste stream password, which is we have copied earlier. Then click on connect account. You have to select Gmail account which is being used to your YouTube channel. So now press continue button. You will find authorization is completed. You can now close this page. So I will close this page and then return to OBS Studio. Your channel is already been connected with OBS Studio. Then click on apply. Okay. Now start streaming. After start streaming, press on manage broadcast icon. Write your live broadcast title, write a little description, keep your privacy public, choose a category, choose your audience. It's not made for kids. Upload an attractive thumbnail, enable DVR, then create broadcast, start streaming. Your live broadcast is being prepared. Wait just a moment, then you will find green signal, which means your PC screen is being broadcast live on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates.